Hello everyone, this is Kakuru Benard. I'm back with more programming examples, and so we are looking at example 2, which is about classifying people according to age. So the question says, write a pseudocode for a program that can be used to classify people according to age. If a person is more than 20 years, output adult, else output young person. So this means that you have to first form a pseudocode, and so the pseudocode goes like this. You start, you print, enter age, you input the age of a person, and if that age is greater than 20, then print adult, else print young person, stop. And then in case you are to use a flowchart, this is how a flowchart looks like. You start, you enter age, then here is a decision. Is age 20 and plus? If yes, print adult. If no, print young, then stop. And so after forming a flowchart, you should form what we call the VB code, and our VB code is here. So this is the code that we shall input in our programming language, and for our case we are using this Visual Basic 6 Portable. So you double click that software, you run it and say yes. So when it opens, we are supposed to design a form. So you click run Visual Basic 6. So after it has opened, you use standard exe, you click open, and in case you don't have this software, please contact me. My numbers are below there. You contact me on how to get this software. Thank you. So when the form opens, we have to use the toolbox here to design our form. So we shall start by putting a button. We have input our button, and say we can rename this button under caption. There we can say run here. That is the name of our button. This button can be increased, especially the name. You can increase the font size. This font size, you have to scroll down a bit up to font, click those 3 dots. You can bold it, increase size to around 18. You can even choose another font style, click OK. Even the background of the form can be changed. The background of your form can be changed from here. Back color, you can come here. If you want to use these colors, you can apply them, else you click system. So under palette, you can use such a color, and so from here double click on your button. To code it, we shall say dim age as integer. You press enter. Age equals value var input box, open brackets, open quotes, enter the age, close quotes, close two brackets. So when I say age equals age, I've already declared it from here. So when I say age equals, this VAL stands for a value. This value will be entered in an input box, meaning that if you are to write 20 is a value, and it will be entered into a box. So that box will be prompting us to enter age. That is the statement. So you press enter. If age greater 20, then press enter. Message box, MSG box, open brackets, open quotes, adult, you close quotes, close brackets, press enter, else, press enter, message box, you open brackets, open quotes, child or young person, cross quotes, cross brackets, you press enter, you end if. So meaning that this is our code that we are supposed to input in our programming language, for this case, which is Visual Basic. So after entering the code, you are supposed to run to test if it is working out. So you click start and then run here. So when you click here, this is the input box I talked of, enter age. So if I say 18 and I click OK, the message box comes saying young, click OK. If I run again and I put 25 as the age and I say OK, it will say adult, meaning that our button and the code have worked out. You can close those ones, and so that is the code which we had here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.